Passengers arriving and departing from the Philippines must register on the e-travel portal prior to the flight to avoid any delay during the immigration process. Then before check-in or proceeding to the immigration, must first pay a travel tax of 1,620 pesos if you're going to travel as a tourist. And make sure to arrive at the airport 4 to 5 hours before the flight kasi mahaba yung pila sa ticket counter as well as sa immigration para maiwasan yung delay at hindi kayo malate sa inyong flight. After the immigration and bag screening, punta na kayo sa assigned gate nyo na nakasulat naman yon sa inyong boarding pass. And then, intayin nyo na lang yung boarding time and yung boarding group na tatawagin para makasakay na kayo sa eroplano. Paglampas ng immigration sa South Korea, kinuha na muna namin yung aming mga checked baggage. Kahit na may free wifi sa ibang public places and hotels sa South Korea, I still purchase a SIM card na merong unlimited data for 5 days para siguradong connected pa din sa internet while traveling. Need ko ng internet to use Google Translate, Google Maps, and also to communicate na din. I paid 958 pesos via Klook. Pinakita ko lang yung voucher ko from Klook, and ang maganda pa dito yung nabili kong SIM card may kasama na siyang T-Money card na magamit as public transport card na reloadable and pangbayad din sa bill sa mga convenience store like 7-Eleven. Download lang kayo ng Klook app and you can use my code MGrace5 off for additional discount. Welcome to Korea! Ticket, select station. Ayan.
Please select arriving station.
Saan tayo? Sa Jongno Street.
Please select number of passengers and insert cash.
Isa ka. One
ticket.
Ayan, insert mo na yung cash. Bili ka na lang sa convenience store.
The ticket is one issue.
Before traveling, I make sure na nakapag-research na ako ng konti gaya ng malapit na train station sa airport, hotel, market at mga tourist destinations to save time and to save yung stress during travel. We booked our hotel sa Hotel Venue G Seoul for 6 days and 5 nights. We paid 605,500 Korean won or 26,278 pesos and 52 cents. That is for 2 persons. It is a great location since malapit sa several metro lines and 10 to 15 minutes walk to Myeongdong Street Market, Gwangjang Market, and also walking distance din sa mga meet-up place kung mag-join in tour kayo via Klook. Fairly spacious yung room and meron ding refrigerator, electric kettle, closet, bidet, meron ding hair dryer, and of course, importante, accommodating and friendly yung staff, kaya very sulit itong hotel.